Top home deals Amazon 29 to 30 November. Today I'll show you in 40 seconds if the Hayward Super Pump 0.75 horsepower is really worth it. The main advantage, it moves 79 gallons per minute and cleans faster than regular pumps. The clear lid and tool-free knobs make maintenance super easy. With a 4.6 star rating, thousands of users highlight its durability and low energy use. This November 29th to 30th it will be on a special limited time offer. Find the discounted link in the description. Camilla Topic 20. East Oak Fire Pit. Is the East Oak Fire Pit worth it? Here's the quick answer. 60,000 BTUs, lights instantly with no smoke and no ashes. The tempered glass tabletop is sturdy, safe, and perfect for gatherings. With 4.4 stars, thousands recommend it for quality and design. Only November 29th to 30th. Special promotion. Link in the description with my ID Camilla Topic 20. Aoxun Storage Shed. Is this Aoxun metal storage shed worth the price? Here's a quick breakdown. Large capacity, fits a lawnmower, tools, vacuum and more. Durable steel, anti-humidity vents, and secure doors. With 4.0 stars, buyers say it keeps everything organized and protected. Sale only November 29th to 30th. Link in the description with Camilla Topic 20.